Hi friends, it's Shana and I'm back, and I want to do a quick comparison between my Louis Vuitton 6-key holder and my Louis Vuitton key pouch. I know people use them interchangeably. I use them for different things, and I'll show you what I use them both for, and let's do a quick comparison and tell me what you think. Okay, so let's jump in. And so I was taken by surprise. You know that I picked up my 6-key holder from seeing it with my mom and being like, oh, let me try that. Now, as you can see, I have 6 keys in there, including my car fob, and which is a little bulky. It's a BMW and it's a little bulky. It's one of the older ones. And one of the things that I think is really cool, I just want to show you guys, in that little slot underneath, which is probably what make this more easier to close. Let's see. Would definitely make it easier to close. I've been putting my, one of my debit cards, shouldn't show you the number, my license, and just a little cash, and my Planet Fitness card. And I do that mainly so when I'm on the run, I don't have to, this is the only thing I take when I go to the gym. So that has been pretty cool. So I put those in that back slot as all my keys fall out. And that is what makes it really versatile for me. And then as you can see, I'm able to close it up. And sometimes it gives me a hard time, but just now it did not. So then I also know that people use the key pouch for the same thing. Now, I never put my keys inside of it. I typically would put like cash and cards in here, and then I would zip it up and then have my key or whatever out on the outside. And that's if I put a key on it. I typically had the key ring on the inside, and if I needed to add on, you know, my car keys or something, I would add it on really quickly. But I'm surprised. I do know people put their keys in there. This made it really challenging and kind of bulky, and it could be because of the D-ring that is on my car key. But it looks a little bulky, and I don't imagine that I could put 6 keys in here, including my car key fob, and multiple IDs and cash. I just don't think that could happen. However, if your keys are not as bulky as mine, you could put them in here, and I think it would work well. I think it works well as a really cute little wallet or a little change purse. And so that is really up to you. So I don't think they're interchangeable. I feel like what I can do with this, the 6-key holder, is much more versatile than what I could do with this. I'm going to keep, I told you I have the key pouch in Monogram and Damier Ebene. They're going to stay in my collection. And, you know, I'll think about when I will use them. Probably like if I needed a little wallet for one of my smaller bags, possibly with my Alma BB, or if I use the mini pouchette as a bag, as a mini bag, or maybe for my pouchette accessory. But I will keep them, but this has been my go-to. And so I would go with, now the difference is this one is $5 cheaper than this one right now. So if I had to choose, I would choose the 6-key holder. You tell me what you think below, and I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can see when I post new videos, which is usually on Thursday. And I hope to see you guys back soon.